When replacing either the Hytera stubby or longer whip antenna, you will need to ensure the correct antenna for your Hytera radio is obtained. Before ordering a replacement antenna, you will also need to confirm the correct frequency band. This information is displayed on the inside of the radio. Remove the battery and note the frequency band range. If the radio supports a bandwidth range of 450 to 520 MHz, then an antenna with a working range of 400 to 470 MHz will be compatible, as there is a frequency overlap. Caution: while some Motorola antennas may fit, they will not allow the radio to work properly. For questions about security communications equipment, installation services, or to purchase high-quality Hytera two-way radios or accessories, please visit EdgeTechinc.com.